You're going to love the 2013 Lexus RX 350. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. A wealth of standard features means that you no longer have to sacrifice, such as remote keyless entry, a power seat, automatic dimming door mirrors, heated and ventilated seats, blind spot sensor, and leather upholstery. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 12 speakers, ensuring optimal sound no matter where you're seated. Lexus also prioritized safety and security with features such as anti-whiplash front head restraints, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Comprehensive safety includes row curtain airbags and stability control. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.